Yeah, so this is part 5 of a series of videos there showing us working on my dad's RV there, readying it for him to take a trip out west to visit my sister in North Carolina. Enjoy. Yeah, so I talked about that trim around this lip here so they can put a few light items above their head while they're traveling. So I thought I'd moisten this plywood so it would bend easy, and there. See how that goes. I'll shave that off a little bit up there, and I'll screw that in like I did this one over here. All right, so we're getting closer. We're starting to knock all the cobwebs out and dry it out good. I noticed the ceiling has just a couple small little leaks in it I'm going to work on yet. So the process of washing everything down now, right? And checking see if everything fires up. We'll see. I don't know any of these controls. So we'll keep cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, and I get a paint job on there up there. We should be pretty close to being done. Some outside issues yet I'm working on. We'll get to those. So this is it. Getting closer. Okay, real quick one, Dad. Another coat of paint in here, and I've been washing it out now and airing it out. Got the mold mostly at bay. Got her stove working, and all the lights are coming on now pretty much. Refrigerator works. I fixed the furnace. The furnace is working. I got the drain on the sink or the tub draining now, and I cleaned this up real good in here. I have one leak here up in the ceiling yet, and one over there I have to repair. But it's raining, as you can see again, and it sets me back. So last thing is on the line, the bathroom is coming along good. The fan up there is broke. Might have to fix that. And I might put a new light in here because that one's rusted apart. So, okay. Got some work to do, but we're still plugging away. So it's raining. Right by the air conditioner, it's leaking, and then back by the sleep area, there's a small leak I gotta find up there yet. I'm gonna put another layer of tar across the whole roof, though. I just don't feel comfortable with the layer up there. Front end looks great. Got to get the generator running. I've been turning it over. It hasn't started, so it must be a plugged carburetor. Not a big deal. So I'm gonna run through the water system and the septic system yet to make sure that's working fine for you. And then that's about it. We're gonna take it for a ride pretty soon. It's your camper. All right, so we're going to throw on another coat inside on the new area and see if we can get it done with what's remaining in this can here. We're getting closer to the end. We have a weld job underneath to do yet. I want to adjust the brakes a little more. I've been running through all the utilities on it. So it's been working. So we're gonna throw a coat onto there. Second coat. Alright, so thought I'd take the camper for its maiden voyage under with the new front end. I think I just run it over the hill. I want to just get some air passing through it a little bit. I got quite a lot of work to do with it yet, but just want to run it. So it's got new plugs and filters, and I need to do an oil change on it yet, but the front end is drying out. I just painted that for the third coat, and front end is new, so maybe I'll stop in at George's and give Mom a quick update on it, get her a little excited. It's almost the end of July here, and I said in July I'd have it done, but I had some other things come up, but it's coming together. It's got a few more things to do though, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, I know it'll go 40. Let's pull her over into Dad's here and see what he says. So. Brakes are working. That's great. That's always a plus, right? I just go in there and do a donut real quick and let them try it. See if Mom's home. Now that limb's getting pretty close to the top of this, so I'll have to be careful here. Yeah, that's always good. And we'll go see what she says. So.